What is a thunderstorm?
A thunderstorm is a storm with lightning and thunder. It's produced by a cumulonimbus cloud, usually producing gusty winds, heavy rain, and sometimes hail.
Wow!
How does a thunderstorm form?
A thunderstorm forms when moist air near Earth's surface is heated by the sun. The cloud that forms thunder is the cumulonimbus.
Wow! You know a lot!
Where do thunderstorms form? Thunderstorms affect mostly hot, humid areas in the spring. How are thunderstorms measured?
Thunderstorms are measured in volts. Most lightning bolts are usually 100 million volts. They also are measured in positive and negative charges inside a cloud. Is there a warning system created to alert people of this type of weather?
Of course! If you see dark puffy clouds and if you hear thunder. What is the biggest recorded thunderstorm?
In Florida, 1993, the biggest thunderstorm occurred, bringing 5,000 high-voltage lightning bolts.
Wow, that's cool!
How do you stay safe from a thunderstorm?
You can stay indoors. If you're in a car, keep the windows shut. Stay away from trees, poles, and any metal objects.
Wow, that's cool. What would you include in a disaster kit to prepare for a thunderstorm?
You should pack food, water, and a first aid kit. Also, you should include batteries.
Cool. Do thunderstorms affect our state?
Yes, because it's a hot, humid climate and extremely moist in the spring.
What are some fun facts about thunderstorms?
Thunderstorms are the most powerful electricity storm in the atmosphere. Another one is, in 20 minutes, a thunderstorm can drop 125 million gallons of water